Hi dear programmers, welcome to programming tutorial. Today we are going to talk about increment and decrement statements, which is very important for the programs. And before starting, I would like to show you some examples from our lives where we see these increment decrements. I would like to show you one machine. Actually, all the machines are controlled by the programs, and the programs are controlling this hardware. And here we go. As you see, there is a screen there. It tells you insert a coin, and you insert the coin there, over there, and it tells you how much you inserted. Let's say you inserted 50 cents, and in the menu you choose the coffee, which one, macchiato or espresso, whatever you want. Let's say you press espresso, and then espresso costs 30 cents, and when you press espresso, you're gonna see your account has changed because it charges. So drinking coffee will charge, and it will deduct from your account, and it's going to subtract 30 cents from your account. So it's being done by the decrement statement. Let's say if the programmer has forgotten to write this decrement statement, how will it be? And it could be like this: everyone would insert only the maximum amount on the menu. They will just insert that money, and then they just press all the time, drink this continuously, non-stop, because there is no decrement statement that cuts your money from the account, and that no one charges. We can also give another example from talking. So you talk to somebody on the phone, and it charges the operator system. The charges on your account, how much you talk. Let's say you're talking 5 minutes, and if the tariff says 30 cents per minute, and the 5 minute is going to charge to you $1.5. So it's going to be done by decrement statements. So let's start learning these statements here. First, we're gonna introduce one variable. I will do this integer and write there a. So I'm going to introduce one variable. It's going to be integer and a, and I give him an initial number. Give him 5, and the next thing, I will use increment and decrement statements. How do we use the increment decrement statements? Let's see it. So if you write there a plus plus, all right, so it's going to increase your number one more, and we can see it also. See out. Let's see the result. A, okay, semicolon, and then I will press this. The result is 6. The a was 5, and now it becomes 6 because of this increment statement. I would like to use decrement statement instead. Increment. This time I will do this minus minus and run it again. Let's see what happened. Now the number was 5 and it became 4. If you want to increase the number or decrease the number more than 1, you have to do like this. You're gonna erase one of them and put there one equal sign, and how much you want to decrease. Let's say you want to decrease 3, and it's going to be a minus equal 3. So that statement will decrease number 3. Let's try this. As you see, it becomes 2. You can apply the same thing for increment statements, so you know that the result will be 8. Here we go. Let's say I would like to do other operations, and I would like to make multiplication or division. So the number is 8 now. I will do a division. A slash equal. I would like to divide this by 2, and let's see the result. Here we go, it's 4. We can do the same thing also for multiplication. A multiplication, the star you have to put, it's going to understand as a multiplication, and equal, I will multiply this by 5. I think you may guess. So what's the result? The first number, the initial number is 5. The number is equal to 5, and we increase by 3, it will be 8. And you're gonna divide the number by 2, it will be 4. And finally you're gonna multiply by 5 and it will be equal to 10. Let's see the result together. As you see, it's not working, but actually we have worked this. We minimize that one, it's over here. So make sure you close this one after running it. And now I will run it again, and it's going to update the result. So the result 20, as I said. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 over 2, 4. 4 times 5, 20. Okay, we have done this part. I hope it was useful for learning increment and decrement statements. Thanks for watching, and I'd like to see you in the following tutorials. See you, bye.